Greek mythology is the collection of legends that occurred between the 9th and 8th century before Christ. The myth has no purpose other than itself, as it attracts the irrational side of thoughts, but it draws a picture that can only be described thus, as it is a hiding place for thoughts that lies in the middle between reason and faith. And from it many of the Greek contemplations sprang.
Ancient Greek philosophy arose in the 6th century BC. Philosophy was used to make sense of the world using reason. It dealt with a wide variety of subjects, including astronomy, epistemology, mathematics, political philosophy, ethics, metaphysics, ontology, logic, and biology. Philosophy in ancient Greece began in the 6th century BC and is often credited with the emergence of thinkers known as the pre-Socratics. Here are some key points about its origin. Transition from myth to reason. Early Greek thought was dominated by mythology and religious explanations for natural phenomena. Philosophers began to seek rational explanations based on observation and reasoning rather than mythological narratives.
Thales of Miletus, often considered the first philosopher. Thales proposed that water was the fundamental substance of all things. His inquiry marked a shift towards naturalistic explanations and questioning the nature of reality. The Milesian school. Following Thales, other philosophers like Anaximander and Anaximenes explored various elements, such as boundless, air, and more, as primary substances, further developing natural philosophy.
Heraclitus and Parmenides. These thinkers introduced contrasting views on change and permanence. Heraclitus famously asserted that everything is in flux, while Parmenides argued for the notion of being as unchanging. Their debates led to the groundwork of later philosophical inquiry. Socratic method. Socrates, who lived in the late 5th century BC, shifted the focus from cosmology to ethics and human behavior. His method of questioning aimed to stimulate critical thinking and illuminate ideas, influencing subsequent philosophers like Plato.
Plato and Aristotle. Plato founded the Academy and wrote dialogues exploring various philosophical themes, while his student Aristotle established his own school and developed a comprehensive system encompassing logic, metaphysics, ethics, and natural sciences. Cultural context. The rise of city-states, police, trade, and increased literacy contributed to a more questioning and analytical culture, fostering an environment where philosophical ideas could flourish.
In summary, ancient Greek philosophy began as a quest for rational explanation of the world, moving from mythological frameworks to systematic inquiry into nature, existence, and ethic, laying the foundation for the Western philosophy.